Hey guys, this is Shayanti. Welcome to City Reports. Today I'll talk about my city, Kolkata. Previously Calcutta, the second most important city of the British Empire, the same Kolkata which is home to the oldest polo club in the world established in 1858. Kolkata has a rich history of the places where culture nurtures in India. From the old lazy beautiful lanes of North Kolkata, with the smell of generation-old sweet shops in every corner selling household snacks like shingaras and jaleebis and kochuris, to the bustling South Kolkata with all its modernities. In the north, you can start your day by having an authentic Chinese breakfast at Tirupati Bazaar. Choose to visit the generation-old ghats caked in history and take a boat ride along the Hooghly River. The other famous region in Kolkata is the Esplanade area, which used to be the chief economical area and has splendid buildings largely influenced by the conscious intermingling of Gothic, Roman, Baroque, Oriental and Islamic schools of study. Nandan, Racecourse, the Victoria Memorial, the Indian Museum among other places are some of the attractions near the Esplanade area. Kolkata also has a vibrant art scene. Places like the Academy of Fine Arts and Nandan, among other numerous galleries and cinema halls and theatres. The Victoria Memorial is a large marble building which is considered to be the pride of Kolkata. Built between 1906 and 1921, it is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria. Located over the Hooghly River in West Bengal, Howrah Bridge or Ravindra Setu is the main connection between Howrah and Kolkata. The Birla Planetarium in Kolkata is the largest planetarium in Asia and the second largest planetarium in the world. This is the place where tomb of Mother Teresa is present. It is maintained by her missionaries and followers who continued to promote her legacy. The Marble Palace near Chor Bagan in North Kolkata, built in 1835 by Rajendra Malik, is famed for its art collection of masterpieces by Rubens and paintings of various renowned international artists such as Reynolds, Van Gogh and Rembrandt. One of its kind in India, the Science City was inaugurated on 1st July 1997. It is one of the major tourist attractions for the residents of Kolkata as well as for the people who visit Kolkata. Said to be the first cathedral built in overseas territory of the British Empire, St. Paul's Cathedral is an Anglican cathedral located in Kolkata, also said to be the Diocese of Calcutta. The glowing structure that adorns the streets of Kolkata is a popular Hindu temple, Birla Temple. Popular as the largest cricket stadium in India and second largest in the world, the Eden Garden can sit 66,000 spectators. It is set amidst an adjoining garden where Eden, related to the one-time governor and her sister, would stroll during the evenings. Currently located on the Rabindra Bharati University campus in Jorashako, Jorashako Thakurbari is the house in which the first non-European Nobel laureate and poet Rabindranath Tagore was born. Fuchka savored the burst of spices. Churmur, a crunchy blend. Ghugni chaat give a pinch of tangy flavor. Jhalmuri, your go-to snack. Doi bora, dahi vada, Kolkata style. Singara, your evening tea companion. Aloo kabli, a quick potato snack. Savor the scrumptious flavor. Kobira Kolkata is a shining beacon to this thriving nation called India. Do not forget to subscribe City Report and also do not forget to press the bell icon to be the first one to watch the new videos. Thank you.